I want to talk to you about this pizzelle maker. Now, I've had several pizzelle makers over the years, and this is the first time that I ever bought this mini 4 pizzelle maker. I call it a mini because the pizzelles are really pretty small, and I just want to show you what you can expect. Very compact, and then when you open it up, you can see that these pizzelles are not going to be extremely large. This is great if you are making pizzelles for a wedding or something where you need to really make a lot, but you don't want the great big pizzelles. The key to getting what I would classify as pretty pizzelles is the amount of dough that you put in each one. It does take practice to get it to be just the right amount of dough so it's not oozing out all over the place and that you're going to get a good press. It is a nice pizzelle maker, but it is going to take a little bit of practice to get it so that you can have what I classify again is pretty pizzelles. So the dough is not all over the place. Two things that are important to get that consistency is the consistency of your dough and the amount of dough that you put, or batter that you put in each pizzelle iron. Other than that, this is a great little pizzelle maker. And that's just my opinion.